Welcome to physics class. Today we are going to see question number 18 in GATE Physics 2020. Far from the Earth's magnetic field can be approximated as due to a bar magnet of magnetic pole strength 4 into 10 raised to 14 ampere meter. Assume this magnetic field is generated by a current carrying loop encircling the magnetic equator. The current required to do so is about 4 into 10 raised to n ampere, where n is an integer. The value of n is what? Earth's circumference is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 7 meter. In this question, they have approximated the Earth's magnetic field is due to a bar magnet of magnetic pole strength 4 into 10 raised to 14 ampere meter. And this approximation been taken at a distance far away from the Earth. And also they have assumed that the magnetic field that has been generated in the magnetic equator is due to a current carrying loop of current 4 into 10 raised to n ampere. And they have asked us to find what is the value of n in the current I. We already know that magnetic moment of a current carrying loop is given as I into A, that is current into area. And magnetic moment of a bar magnet is M into L. M is the magnetic pole strength that is already given in the question as 4 into 10 raised to 14. And L is the length of the bar magnet. So as Earth has been approximated as a bar magnet, we can write I into A is equal to M into L. So A is the area of the Earth. So here they have given already the circumference of the Earth. So 2 pi r is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 7. From this we can get the value of r. On the other hand, m into L. M is the magnetic pole strength that is already given in the question, and L is the length of the bar magnet. As Earth has been equated to a bar magnet, the diameter of the Earth will be the length of the bar magnet. So that is 2 into r. So by equating these two, we will be getting I is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 7. In the question, they have already given I is equal to 4 into 10 raised to n. So by equating these two, we will be getting n value is equal to 7. Next question 21. A particle Y undergoes strong decay. Y gives pi minus and pi minus. The isospin of Y is. In this question, they have given a strong decay process of Y gives pi minus and pi minus. They have asked us to find what is the isospin of Y. In strong nuclear reaction or a decay process, the isospin is conserved, and the isospin of pion is 1. So as there are 2 pions are produced in this reaction, the isospin value is 2. So answer, the isospin of Y is 2. Please subscribe the channel. If you have any queries, please write in the comment section.